What's up, guys and girls? John here at Cross Motors with your Jeep of the Week. So this is a super rare brute conversion AEV. It's an 06 with only 20,000 miles. They didn't make a whole lot of these kits. So it also has the AEV Highline setup on it. You'll notice how thin that hood is. It's also a heat reduction, but it highlines it and still leaves that factory look. That in itself is almost impossible to find. Whole thing sitting on a rock crawler 3.5-inch suspension. The tires have aged out even though they look good. So the purchaser will be able to pick out any 35 they like. Rock slide engineering, power side step rock rail, pretty cool. On the inside, Mastercraft Baja RS seats. These conversions are slick. You actually get a couple skylights, and the bodywork done on this thing is pretty slick. So good sized bed. They extend the frame. It's a ton of work to do these. Back when we had a body shop, we actually did one of these, and it took quite some time to actually get this thing right. So on the rear, you actually have a worn RS winch in your rear bumper. All these kits came with that's the custom bumper for the Brute. Actually ties into the frame, so a lot of engineering, well thought out, super strong. For any more questions about this particular Jeep, give us a shout anytime at 502-459-9900.